of another gate, right? Yeah. They are no, they are that, they are.
Enggak, ya masa nyangkut tanggung enggak. Soal bingung-bingung dewe aja.
Next match on quarter number 2, ladies double 5B, will be customer Foxtrot, YSL Saudi. For quarter number 2. Next match on quarter number 2, ladies 5B, semi-final. Ladies customer YSL Saudi. Ladies, this is the lady quarter number 2.
Dua kalah. Takut banget mas.
Please do a registration. Please do your registration and do the same.
Ya apa? Alah ya wis boleh turu.
Abdul Salim and Asif, please report to court number 5. Abdul Salim and Asif, please report to court number 5.
Actually, they are on the way. They will finish. They will take care.
Samir one. Is ready for the next time we will go.
Ayo Pak.
Next match, board number 10. Sakri Aisan, customer Ashok, Rasman and Rana. Players please get ready to go number 10. Sakri Aisan, customer Rasman and Rana. Players please get ready to go number 10. Then we are changing to number 10. Next battle to number 10. Under 11 boys in this quarter final. Anil Rahman, Mohammad Sagar in Mumbai. Anil Rahman, Mohammad Sagar in Mumbai. Under 11 boys in this quarter final. Anil Rahman, Mohammad Sagar in quarter final. Rasli Sakri have been ready for the next available report. Anil Negi, Amara Jula, Malsi, Kalidas. Players please get ready for the next available report. Yasmin, please be ready for your next doubles. Yasmin, please be ready for your next doubles. Sinafat, Sabir again Hampatel. Please report the rest. Court number 10, start again, court number 10. Next match of court number 7. Next match of court number 7. Next level championship. Answer Tony, Sheikh Muhammad Shah, versus Santosh Kumar, Sajid Tayar. Next level championship. Quarter final. Answer Tony, Sheikh Muhammad, Santosh Kumar, Sajid Tayar. Players please get ready to court number 7. Next match of court number 7 after this. Next level is 5 points. Quarter final. Basit, Kadavan, Shabbas, Kamal, Randy Rowan and Shafiq. Players please get ready for the next match on court number 7.
Prestasi terbaik itu kalah belum tahu kalau perang enggak.
Panis Daud, Muhammad Ali. Please Untuk harus jauh dari Muhammad Ali.
2009 apa 2010 itu saudara terbaik sampai aku 9 nasional naik 2 bulan naik 3 bulan dari mana kuliah kan udah terus ngapain kuliah mana juga enggak aku kuliah dia ngomong juga atau kenal tahu aku tahun juga tahu aku angkatan lain itu adik aku ingin tahu main apa sama di meja juga siapa terkait itu sama
Next match on court number 6. Next match is by one. Sabir Nandakai Subhamasi Aksara and Savarna. Please get ready for the next match on court number 6.
Yusuf